Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we'll learn how to install Alibaba app on Android. Alibaba is an online platform where businesses and people can buy and sell products. It's like a digital marketplace connecting sellers with buyers. Now let's get back to the video. To install Alibaba app, go to the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, type Alibaba and hit the search icon. Look for the official Alibaba.com app in the search results. It should have Alibaba's logo and Alibaba.com as the name. Now, tap the install button and the app will start downloading and installing automatically. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch the Alibaba app. Now you can log in with your Alibaba account or create a new account to start exploring and shopping. And that's it. That is how you install Alibaba app. Easy, right? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more. Thank you.